Hey you guys, it's your girl Lisa Marie back at you with another video. Today is going to be a recipe on my take on how I make my black eyed peas. Now every year I make black eyed peas for the new year, and today's New Year's Eve, so I'm going to be making my special black eyed peas, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I'm doing mine in a slow cooker. And first, what you're going to need, I already have my beans washed and they've been soaking. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my smoked turkey necks. I love to do mine with either smoked turkey necks, ham hocks, something smoked. That's what's gonna give you that flavor. Then you're gonna pour your beans in there, your black eyed peas. All of them in there. I did 2 bags. My family loves black eyed peas around this time. Okay. And then you're gonna add your onion. The onion on top. Add your onion. Just like so. And I'm gonna go in with some, then you're gonna add your spices. And I'm gonna go in with some basil. Now this is, you don't have to over season it because that smoked turkey neck is gonna give you your flavor. I'm going in with some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some pepper. We're gonna do some smoked paprika. I can't never say that shit right. Little smoked paprika. I love paprika. Then we're gonna put some chicken bouillon. I don't have the cubes. I buy the thing like this, so you want to kind of be careful with this stuff because it can be overpowering. But we're gonna do a little chicken bouillon. I love chicken bouillon. Okay. Now we're going to add water. I'm going to add water. Let me give me a little glass. I'll put some water in here. Add up some water. Add some water. Fill it up over the beans. You want your water over the beans. Over your beans. See? There we go. That's just enough. Okay, so now that we got our beans in there, we got our beans in here, we got it all seasoned and everything. Scrape that seasoning off the side. We got our beans going. I'm gonna let my beans go for 6 hours. And that's about how long they take. And when they're done, we'll be back. Put the top on there and let it go. Okay, you guys, our black eyed peas are done. They are done. They smell so delicious. So delicious. Delicious. That's that piece of turkey neck that I put in there. So good. So yeah, guys, I let these cook for 6 hours and they're done. They're done. So thanks for watching, everybody. So yeah, this is my take on my black eyed peas. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a comment in the comments if you did. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, God bless.